Participating in manufacturers' rebate programs can be a lot of work. That's why CDR Software designed a virtual manufacturer reporting, or VMR program, especially for convenience store distributors. You'll boost your efficiency and profits by using our VMR Console and master the complexities of reporting for tobacco, candy, beverage, and other rebate programs. Rebate programs are crucial agreements between manufacturers and distributors to incentivize sales and offer financial rewards. Effective management involves automating tracking, adhering to regulations, and making timely rebate claims critical to profitability. VMR Console is the easy-to-use web-based solution for submitting your MULTICAT formatted data to MSA. There's nothing to install. Just a few clicks online from your PC and done. It's easy to use, so you can participate in more rebating programs. VMR Console is an affordable monthly subscription that pays for itself. With VMR Console, you will earn more money from more rebating and incentive programs. CDR Software also offers supply logic software for cash and carry distributors and DAC ERP for full-service wholesalers. We are the experts in developing software for wholesale convenience distributors. Supercharge your rebate management process and never miss a penny with VMR Console from CDR Software. Contact us today for more information or to arrange a demo, or visit our website at cdrsoftware.com/VMR.